We're going to measure our window from bead to bead. So first, we'll check our window is suitable for the perfect fit next generation. If you're working with an external bead, we'll have to measure the size of the gasket and make sure it's under 5mm. If it measures under 5mm, you can continue measuring the window, ensuring you measure from bead to bead and not from the edge of the gasket. If you have a square bead rather than a curved one, we recommend taking 4mm away from your width and drop measurements. Lastly, we'll check if there's any obstructions around the window. If there is an obstruction, make sure it's 25mm away from the edge of the bead. Now we can measure our window. First, we'll measure our width at 3 points, starting from the bottom, middle, and then top. And note down the smallest measurement of the three, accurate to the nearest millimetre. Now we can do the same for the drop of the blind. Take 3 measurements on the left, middle, and right. Again, note down the smallest measurement of the three. We can now measure the bead depth. Take a measurement from the glass to the edge of the card. This will determine what bracket size you'll need. As this window has a handle, we'll have to measure its location for our rebate. If your handle is on the left or right side, then take a measurement from the bottom of the bead up to the pivot point on the handle, and note down the measurement. If your handle is on the top or bottom, take a measurement from the left hand side to the pivot point on the handle. You will not require a handle rebate if you're measuring for a roller or vision blind. And that's how to measure for your perfect fit next generation.